Bright and early. Decided to head out a little early with my parentals because my dad's a little slower than the rest of the group. So we're gonna meet at the tube and we're heading to Munich. Munich.
Very excited.
A little bit of Neuschwanstein, some castles, beer halls, all the good German stuff.
You got it. Yes.
My
Looking
dad's-
forward to it.
And my dad's trailing. He's coming.
He's coming.
Let's go. I know people were going to be in our seats. I called it to begin with, and then just people don't know where they're going. And it had nothing to do with our group. I feel like Erica wrangled everyone together like a border collie fairly well.
That's what I gotta do.
Ooh, that was one of the busier train stations we've been in, and it was like herding cats and cattle up in here.
Yeah.
Here's one of them.
Cat rounding up. Cat roundup. The cat roundup.
Meow. I'm so excited. Meow. Meow. Said so.
But now on to the hotel and not much else planned for today.
Right, it is our first day in Munich and the weather has decreased. Not the weather. The temperature has decreased from Berlin a bit.
A rando photobombed us. Rando person.
Oh. But we're starting off the city how we usually do, with a walking tour.
Gonna explore the city, look at the sights, and then the most important part is another beer hall.
Yes, we've actually been to Munich before as well, but we didn't have very long here. And this tour is starting in a beautiful plaza that I don't think we've actually been to at all. I don't know any of the history of it, but I'm sure we're about to learn in our tour.
Your dad loves the photobomb.
He pretends that he doesn't like the camera.
He doesn't like the camera, but he loves the camera.
Like the camera.
Oh, there
does
she
too.
is.
Learning some Munich history.
Crazy. Get out of here.
That's all we have to say. Other than beer hall.
I know.
We got a couple warm-ups going. It's cold. It is cold.
Oh, it's only a 6
Your dad and I just deepened our relationship.
I know. I
He
saw.
finger-pops me.
That's disgusting. That's really disturbing.
Yeah. Walking towards
We are
over.
currently waiting in line. Discussed with the group, and the group doesn't want to do the whole museum. I would do the whole museum.
It's like 6 hours.
I would too.
Kinsey would too.
Kinsey would too. She'll get tired eventually.
So we're gonna do the treasury instead. Just the treasury.
Kizzy's a little tired. She's just taking a cat nap.
It's the most treasured piece in the Munich treasury.
What'd you think about the treasury?
It was pretty. There's lots
I
of
know,
jewels.
there was
that
lots of
was
sparkles.
specific from the humbug.
Did you listen to it? He said he bought it or he had it commissioned for his wife. So
Yeah.
I'll wait for mine. We are going to have a very early dinner back at the Hofbrauhaus,
Well, the number
which
one.
is a beer hall.
Number one.
You left my mom in charge.
Mistake one.
I left your mom in charge.
Yeah, she's up there.
So this is a little hectic. We got up to the third floor, and this is a true beer hall. This is more what I felt like it was going to be. How's your experience with the Germany beer hall?
Oh, I'm gonna just salute to Grandpa. This is absolutely an authentic beer hall.
Our beer is on the way, and it's going to be bigger than our heads.
I'm excited.
I think that this looks like an authentic beer hall.
It is the number one beer hall in Munich, so
It's pretty awesome, and I'm getting a big beer, a full liter.
The only downfall to this is we're on the third floor. I think that means we have a limited menu compared to other people. I'm not actually sure, but the menu's not very long, so we're having to choose among like 10 items.
They said that there's 3 floors. It looks like we're currently on the 2nd floor, but I'm guessing that there's a floor underground.
So per something I read online, this third floor is not open all the time. It's only open sometimes, especially around like Christmas and New Year's, but the entire ceiling is designed to look like the inside of an Oktoberfest tent, per the internet.
Oh, yeah, buddy.
right.
First drink of my beer. I'll probably have to have another.
Oh my gosh, I don't think I could have another. Let's
Did
see.
they have sizes?
Yeah, half liter and a liter.
I don't even know if I can hold this for very long. I better drink fast.
I don't really know what I got, actually. I got a half liter of Munch and Rice, maybe? This is a little different. The other one had like fruitiness. This one is more just like a classic IPA.
It doesn't look.
It's got hops. It's hopping.
Wait,
Oh,
I have a
cheers.
cheers. Okay? This is to Aaron and Erica and making this possible. I could never do
Yeah.
what you do.
Mostly Erica.
I got me a pretzel, baby.
That's a massive pretzel.
That's a pretzel.
That's a pretzel. Mm-mm.
Basically to make sure that you don't get too drunk and you can keep drinking more beer.
Goulash with the dumpling, and I got a little sauerkraut. It's amazing.
I went with the cheese spatzel today. It's pretty good, especially with the fried onions on top, mixed with the cheese, on fleek.
Sausage and sauerkraut and potatoes. Really good.
Authentic German meal.
Pork knuckle. Got the bone in, gravy, and it's potato dumpling. Just meat and gravy. We're gonna enjoy our beer hall time and then move on. Finished up at the beer hall, but we're going to have a big day tomorrow of Neuschwanstein. Well, that's going to be a lot of walking, a lot of cold, but a lot of beautiful views.
I have personally not finished the Hofbrauhaus. I have taken it with me.
You better be careful. You're going to trip with how much you drank.
That was very weird.